Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix MSI computer if it has no sound, especially in Windows 11. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, check your audio icon right here and make sure that it is not muted, okay? Amp it up if you want to and play a sound in the background. Now, click on this icon. You may have a ton of output sources right here. It could be your headset, speakers, or another pair of headsets, okay? Just make sure that you try each. And then again, check your audio outputs right here. Now, if you can't still hear any sound, well, right click on the audio icon right here. Again, right click. Now click on sound settings. Now in here, go ahead and find, scroll all the way down and click on more sound settings, okay? Click on it. Now make sure that your speakers, or it could be your headset, is set to default. Click on it and set to default. If it's grayed out, well, it's already been set as default. Now you're gonna want to double click on it. Go to levels, check it. Now go ahead over to enhancements, disable all enhancements, apply, advanced right here, test CD quality, okay? If you have studio quality, I'll just try CD quality or go down. All right, go down, hit on apply. If it still won't work, go down, apply, and then test. All right, also make sure that you tick on allow application to take exclusive control of this device. Hit on apply, hit on OK. OK once more, and then test it out. Okay, now, if you can't still hear anything, I would highly recommend you to update everything from your computer. Okay, go ahead and go to your search bar right here at the top of settings. Now find system updates. Click on check for updates. And here just click on check for updates. And if there are available updates, make sure that you install them. And once everything is installed right here, do not forget to click on advanced options and optional updates, as most of our devices drivers, including microphone, headsets, speakers, will be available in here, okay, or any other USB devices. So install them all, and after that it will ask you to restart the computer. So go ahead and restart the computer, and after that you should be good to go. Now, if that still won't work, I would highly recommend you, okay, that you go ahead and open up your favorite browser. I'm sorry. Go ahead and find MSI audio drivers, okay? Hit on enter. Now in here, you'll be able to see download MSI global, okay? This will eventually install all available updates for your specific computer. So from here, just select your product line. As it says here, it could be laptop, desktop, okay? Select a product to a category, just laptop or workstation. Which series? Could be a Titan series, product model, maybe Titan 18X50 series right here. Okay. Click on it, hit on search, select a model, maybe this one, wait for it to reload. And once that's done, go ahead and go to the bottom, click on drivers, select your operating system, scroll down, and click on audio right here. Or you can go ahead over to utility and others, scroll all the way down, and find MSI Center, okay? You'll be able to install all available drivers here as well. But if you just want the audio drivers, well, go ahead over to drivers. Again, audio right here, and you can download any drivers from here. I would highly suggest a Nahimek driver and a Realtek audio driver. Just download them, install them, and once done, restart your computer. And after that, you should be good to go. And that is how you fix an MSI computer if it has no sound in Windows 11. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.